Jinan Quick-Fulltek CNC Machinery Company Limited locates in Jinan City, Shandong Province. The factory floor space is about 15,000 square meters. We have about 200 workers, including 25 professional designers, 35 experienced after-sales service engineers, and 20 salespersons. We specialize in CNC router, CNC machining center for 3 or 4-axis, woodworking CNC machine for panel cutting, and other CNC technology products, such as edge banding machine. Quick CNC machines are known for their high precision, outstanding reliability, ease of operation, and simple maintenance. Quick CNC products have been sold to 80 countries. We have distributors in all the main economy entity, and spreads from the Eastern Hemisphere to the West, North to the South. Our product quality are well approved by customers who cooperated with our company. Should you need a ruggedly built CNC router setup, configured differently than our set range of sizes, don't hesitate to contact us. Quick CNC is very accustomed to special orders on custom specifications to fit any application for a CNC machine. We were building custom machinery when we got into the business of designing, building, and selling CNC routers. So, building one just for you is always welcome here. Welcome to visit our factory. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.